guys? So I made it back to Pikeville with my new 22 Mustang GT. It's a 10-speed auto with a Phase 2 ROUSH Supercharger, which is claimed to be 750 horsepower, 670 pound-feet of torque. Comes with a full warranty to where if anything tears up on it, I'm covered. So that was one of my big decisions in choosing to go this route with this car. But also a big deciding factor was I'd seen a lot where Charlie Watson, I've had him on Facebook here for a little while, seen a lot of his posts talking about the performance and what they were doing with these cars while still keeping the warranty. So I'd reached out to him a few years back, asked him about it, and told him it may be a little while before I'm ready. Well, whenever I was ready, talked to Charlie, made one trip, swapped out with him today, drove home. Haven't got to really check out the power, but so far I'm pretty impressed with it. I'm loving it so far, and I just wanted to give a huge shout out to everybody there at Beachmont Ford that helped with the performance side on my car. Jeff Black, he was a great help as well. But as I mentioned Charlie, he went above and beyond for me, and that's why I chose to do business there. Even had a friend mention to me that I may be able to save a little bit of money going through a different dealership, and I said, nope, going with Charlie because I think he's going to help me, and if I ever have any trouble, he's going to help me on that end as well. Glad I did. He answered any question that I had, even when he was at home sick. The man responded right away to any question I had, took care of me, went above and beyond.